Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Ifactner's learning video tutorials. In today's video tutorial, we will learn what do we call different words in Urdu and Hindi. Let's start. Birds are called parinde, parinde. Chicken, chooze, chooze. Cock or rooster is murga, murga. Crow is kawwa, kawwa. And cuckoo is koel, koel. Dove, fakhta, fakhta. Duck, batakh, batakh. Eagle, ukab, ukab. Hawk, baaz, baaz. Hen, murgi, murgi. And magpie, neelkant, neelkant. Nightingale is bulbul, bulbul. Owl is ullu, ullu. Parrot is tota, tota. Peacock is more, more. Pigeon is kabutar, kabutar. And raven is pahadi kawwa, pahadi kawwa. Sparrow is chidiya, chidiya. Swallow is ababil, ababil. Swan is hans, hans. And vulture is gid, gid. Woodpecker is kat phoda, kat phoda. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. If you like this video tutorial, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Until then, take care, keep learning, keep enjoying. Good day.